A homeless man finds a diamond ring on the street and returns it to its owner, a decision that leads to an unexpected bond and a heartwarming story of kindness. After the ring is returned, the woman invites the homeless man to a cafe where they share stories over coffee, forming a friendship that transcends their different worlds. With the woman's help, the homeless man gains access to community resources, giving him the chance to rebuild his life and find a stable living situation. Finally settled into his own apartment, the once homeless man embraces his fresh start, filled with gratitude for the friendships formed and the community that lifted him up. Now, inspired by his journey, the man dedicates his time to giving back, volunteering alongside the woman, and spreading kindness to others who are struggling. As the sun sets on their friendship, the man and the woman reflect on how one act of kindness can change lives, proving that compassion can bridge even the widest gaps. At a charity event they helped organize, the man shares his story, inspiring others to embrace kindness and showing how one small gesture can lead to a ripple effect of hope and change. Taking the stage to share his story, the man captures the hearts of the audience, demonstrating the power of perseverance and community support in overcoming adversity. With renewed hope, the man proudly opens his own jewelry stand, turning hardships into creativity and inspiring others through his journey of transformation and entrepreneurship. As he interacts with customers, the man finds joy in sharing his creations, particularly bringing smiles to children, reinforcing the connections he's built through kindness and art. Honored for his contributions, the man receives an award that recognizes his journey and commitment to uplifting others, proving that transformation is possible with love and support. Empowered by his journey, the man shares his skills in jewelry making with the community, igniting creativity and fostering connection while inspiring others to find their own passions. In a heartfelt celebration, the man gathers friends and family, reflecting on his journey and the support that brought him from homelessness to success, sharing gratitude for every step taken. Now, a beacon of inspiration, the man visits schools to share his story, encouraging children to embrace kindness, teach resilience, and believe in their own potential. At the community fair, the man shares his passion for jewelry making, captivating visitors with his intricate designs and stories, solidifying his place as a respected member of the community. With a newfound voice, the man appears on local television, inspiring viewers with his remarkable story of resilience, illustrating how dreams can flourish with determination and community backing. Taking the stage as a motivational speaker, the man captivates the crowd, turning his past struggles into a powerful message of hope and determination, inspiring others to pursue their dreams. Embracing his role as a mentor, the man shares his expertise with aspiring entrepreneurs, igniting their ambitions and nurturing their dreams, forging a legacy of knowledge and inspiration. At a charity gala, the man touches hearts with his powerful story, illustrating how perseverance can lead to significant change and inspiring generosity among those who hear him. In a heartfelt documentary, the man reflects on his journey, sharing memories and milestones that highlight the transformative power of creativity and community support. Joining forces with local artists, the man helps create a mural that embodies hope and resilience, transforming public spaces while strengthening community bonds through shared creativity.